it, can you see it? All of it? This is infamous Apple unboxing. How it never comes out. There. So this is the MacBook itself. Here are all the accessories. It's the manual guide. You get your manual, your start manual, some warranty, and obviously your Apple stickers. Also, you get your charging brick, the 30-watt charging brick that comes with standard with these. Dang, did I really just, okay. You have your cable for charging, USB Type-C to USB-C. And that's it. Now we get to the computer itself. Totally should have worn gloves. Here's the computer. Here's the headphone jack on the right side, and 2 USB Type-C ports on the left. Here is the screen. It's a very nice screen. It has a fingerprint sensor on the keyboard, and the keyboard is the butterfly keys now. It has not changed recently, but a bit ago. And that is my unboxing, and cut.